What is up? Back at Jaboli's garage here. We got my dad's car right here. Switching out the front wheel because it's bent, cracked. He got it replaced, taking the stock one off, putting back the 22s. We got my F-150 back there. Just swapping the wheel out, headed to the shop after to get the shop all cleaned up. This thing's filthy, but quick little glimpse. Look at that rafts we were talking about. Here we got some more parts for the LML. Got the wheel on. How it looks. Definitely a whole lot better looking. But going to the gym real quick, so I'll get back to you guys when I start cleaning the shop. Got the shop all nice and cleaned up. We're gonna put the LML right here. Now we got the LML backed into its spot. Gonna be here for a while. Damn, looks good. Oh, now we're gonna put it on the red jack, Sunix jacks, and continue on from there. All right, now we got it up on the jack stands. Let's start with taking the wheels and start working on the suspension. Step would be taking the torsion bars out. I'm gonna undo the keys right here. Actually, I noticed I was gonna bang those torsion bars out, but I was a little confused on where to go first. I've put the lift in before, but I've never taken it apart, so I guess I'm gonna start working on tearing this apart. I just don't wanna have to bang the torsion bars 2 times in a row. So we're back. Pulled the knuckle off. I just pulled it with the caliper and the hub and all that. And they're working on taking out this side now. Figure get all this undone, then take the sway bar out, then the control arms, and then the torsion bars will come right out with it too. One more piece out, lower control arm on this side, time for the other side. got the front differential out, the cross members. Making good progress here. Almost got basically everything out of the front end. That will be it for today's video. We got basically the whole entire front end out. Actually, we have the entire front end out besides the tire rods, but that doesn't matter. We got the front drive shaft, everything out. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more and keep along. Watch this whole truck basically turn into a whole different truck after this is done. Subscribe for more, please, and thank you. Share. Peace.